have a quick question for you. How to maximize the result in teeth restoration?
Okay, this is a nice one because when we do the full mouth restoration, there is 5 important points that we have to follow if we really want to maximize the end result. So the first one is the smile design. So in this part, we are putting the new form of the teeth. So we have to follow the lines of the face. This is so-called facial-driven dentistry. We are following the lip line, we are following the midlines. So all these facial lines we have to follow to really put every tooth in its position. The next thing, we also have to follow the proportion of the teeth. So this was step number 1. Step number 2 is to achieve the comfort of the future bite. We have to know that in all full mouth restoration, we're changing the vertical dimension of the tooth, and 1 millimeter of the molars, when we change the dimension in molars, means that in incisors, this means 2.5 to 3 millimeters difference. So this was point 2. Point 3 is that we have to make the teeth, the shape of the teeth, to improve the facial properties. So what we're changing? We're changing the proportion of the face. We are filling up the volume for the lips. We are filling up the volume for the cheeks. We're lifting the lip angles, and we're smoothing out the wrinkles. So actually, with the tooth restoration, we want to rejuvenate the whole facial expression. So all these 3 points we can achieve through the process that is called smile test drive. So what this actually means? It means that we physically try the future tooth shape inside patient's mouth. So the patient is trying physically the future teeth. So this is done all prior to any intervention on the tissue. So we have a clear way what we want to achieve at the end. Then we go to point 4. And this is, we want to be as least invasive to the teeth, so not to burn them very heavily. So we can be normal invasive, like in classical dentistry. We can be minimal invasive. We can be micro-invasive, or even non-invasive. But all these to achieve, to be minimal or micro-invasive or even non-invasive, cannot be achieved without the previous procedure that we did, the smile test drive. So when we have all these 4 points accomplished, then we can go to point number 5. And this is how to achieve the best bonding strength between the tooth structure and the ceramic. In order to do this, we need 2 things. On the tooth, we need the enamel layer on the top that we achieved through the minimal or micro-invasive procedure. And the other is the way that we bond. Normally, the classic bonding has 3 steps. If we want to achieve better bonding strength, we have to go for the 9-step bonding procedure. In this way, we will achieve much better longevity of the tooth restoration. So you have to ask yourself now, because we don't have a magic stick to do like everything in one instantly. What is important? To do it fast and cheap maybe, or to do it really properly, so that each morning that you wake up, go in front of the mirror, you smile to yourself, you go self-confident through your day, you enjoy, you are careless, and you don't think about your teeth, you just enjoy your life. This is the goal that we want to achieve. So next time, we have something new, things to discuss. Okay, until then, bye-bye, see you.